do it step by step. Sleep, sleep. I found the secret room. That's also disappointing. What's this? A lot of stuff wrong with you. If I wanted to, I could go to Uganda. Wow, that was a good one. I'm proud of that one. Oh! On the inside. And then I made.
Give them my regards.
Very nice.